Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. Okay, so now we will see how to make use of this Bookmify. So let me just click on this tab over here, and after that currently I'm having this many options present over here. Okay, so now what I'll do is first of all this many number of the options what we have on the left hand side. Okay, so if you click on the first step, appointments, so over here if there are any customers who have booked appointments on your website, then you will see all those appointments over here. Okay, so you can sort out those appointments based upon the services, based upon the customers, based upon the employees, based upon the status, based upon the date. Okay, so if you want to see the appointment of any specific day or a week, you can just select that range or date directly over here, and you can sort out the appointments based upon the date over here. Okay, so now if you want to see the number of services, if you are providing services like the exercises, let me just take an example of our website which we are building over here, which is dental. Okay, so if you are providing services like the teeth cleaning, then the cementing of the teeth, so the I don't know how many services that are provided by this dental clinic, but if you want to see the appointments based upon the service like the teeth cleaning, then you just have to select the service like the teeth cleaning. Okay, and it will show you the number of the appointments. Then the customers. Okay, so if there is a specific customer, like if the customer's name is Akshay. Okay, if that customer has taken any appointment, then it will show you the appointment of that customer, or uh, appointments of all the number of the appointments that particular customer has taken. If suppose that person is taking the appointment each and every month, each and every week, then it will show you all the details. Okay, and then comes the sorting based upon the employees. Okay, so if suppose there is one employee named Akshay Maikar. Okay, and if this I mean that employee could be almost anyone, like doctor and all. Okay, so it will show you the appointments, the number of the appointments that this particular employee or this particular doctor is having. Okay, so if suppose there is one doctor for teeth cleaning, one doctor for checking your teeth, then it will basically just show you the appointments according to a employee. Okay, so it will tell that there are this many appointments for a doctor who is handling the teeth cleaning section. There are like 10 appointments for the teeth cleaning, 10 appointments for uh, uh, teeth checkup, anything like that. Okay, so you can just sort out all these things, and from this place you can just sort out your appointments based upon the status, like how many appointments are approved, how many appointments are pending, how many appointments got cancelled for a day or a month, like that, and how many appointments got rejected. Okay, so on these filters you can figure out your appointments. And next is calendar. From here you can directly view your calendar. Okay, so it will basically give you the calendar, and on the calendar you can see directly how many appointments you have. Okay, so as can be seen, my calendar is empty and I'm having only one appointment at 11:30 a.m. and that is on the 19th, and these are its details. Okay, so this is the name of the employee, location is not given. This is basically the dummy data which I have fed over here, and duration is from 11:30 to 12:15. Okay, so it will give you all the details. And then is location. Okay, so if you want to set the location of your this appointment, and you can do that from here. Let me just show you how to do that. So basically, if suppose you are having the clinic in two states, like let me just take an example of Punjab, Maharashtra and Goa. Okay, so if you are having the three clinics on the three different places, and if anyone want to go to any of the location, then you can just give that location over here. Okay, so now let me just click on add location. Over here you can add the image if you want. I will give the name of the location as Goa. Okay, and you can just give the specific address. Okay, so where in Goa it is located, I will say Panjim. Okay, so this is the specific look. You can give the exact address, but for your understanding I'm just telling you guys how to do that. Then you can select the employee. Okay, so you can just select one employee or the multiple employees. I will say select all, and then you can give the some description if you want. Okay, so you can say you can visit this location. This is not mandatory, this is optional. You can just save this location, And again, you can add a different location. Click on add new location. You can give the name of the location as Punjab. Over here you can again give the specific location, and then you can select the employee. I will say select all, and over again you can give any description if you want, but over here the only mandatory part is name and the location. Okay, you can just save this. And next comes the employees. Okay, so over here you have to just enter the number of the employees present in your system. So now suppose your system is like tutoring. Okay, so if you're having the tutoring website where you are conducting the tutorials for 12th standard students or something like that, then your employees will be basically your teachers. Okay, so now let me just show you how to add that. But currently the system what we are building is this dental clinic, where now I'll add some doctors. I will give the name of the doctor like okay, so just put some random data, give the first name, last name, and the email ID of this. Then you just have to select the location what we have created. I will select any random location. Then if you want to give the personal information of your employees, like that of their phone numbers, then the WordPress user, if you don't have any WordPress, you can create it. This is not mandatory. And then you can provide the information about that particular user. Okay, so if you want to give the look additional information about this particular employee, then you can provide it over here. This is not mandatory, this is optional. Only mandatory part over here is first name, last name, and this email ID. Once you do that, then you can go to services, and then you can just select the number of the services that are provided by this particular employee. Okay, so I will show you how to add the services. So as of now, these are some of the services which are created by me. Let me just select this exercise. Then you can select the price. Okay, so what price this particular doctor is demanding for his service. I will say 100. Then the capacity, you have to just put how much capacity. I have given the one, and the deposit is also 100. Okay, then the working hours is basically when that particular doctor is working. Okay, so I have given the schedule over here. The doctor is available from the Monday to Friday, and from the 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So basically you just have to give the timetable, and from 8 a.m. to 6 a.m. then there is a break. Okay, so what you can do is if you want, you can just change this. You can say something like uh, 8 p.m. to 2, then there is a break, and then you can just add another time, like you can say something like where is it? Why it is not coming? Okay, so just select some random time. Let this not be. Okay, so on Monday the doctor is available from the 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then there is a break, and then again doctor is available from the 1:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so this is how you can make this timetable over here. And over again, if you want to add some new stuff, then you can just add it over here. Okay, so this is uh, optional over here. I mean, you can just customize this timetable the way you want. Then comes the day off. Okay, so when your clinic will be closed, or when the appointments are not available, you can just specify the date and the title. On the 21st November 2020, I will select this date. Why this is not coming? Okay, so now I've selected the date. Then I will give the title as public holiday. Okay, and if you want to repeat this holiday on each and every year, then you just have to turn it on, or you can just turn it off. Okay, so if there is a public holiday, like if there is some specific occasion like the Diwali and all, then you can just say repeat every year. Okay, so if you want to give the holiday on the new year, then just select a new year, and You just have to turn it on and just click on add, and it will whenever anyone want to book appointment on this particular day, it will not allow to book appointment because it's a day off. Okay, so you can, if you want to add few more dates, then you can do that as well. Click on save and save the changes. Okay, so as of now there is one employee has been added. If you want to add few more employees, then you can do that. Now let me just go to services. So over here you just have to add the services that are provided by your particular system. In order to add the service, click on the add new service over here. Whatever service that you are providing, you just have to add the service over here. Okay, so I will say teeth cleaning. Then you just have to provide the price. I will say $100. Then you just have to select the category. Okay, so if you have any category, then you can select. Let me just tell you all from where you can create it category. Okay, so this is the place from where you can create your categories. Let me just delete both these. Okay, so these categories are sent to some services, so I cannot delete them, but I can create a new service, new category. I will say dental. Okay, so dental, this is the one category which is created by me. I will click on add new service. I will say teeth cleaning. This is the name. Then I will give the price as $100. Then I will select the category as okay. So that category is still not appearing over here. Let me see what's the issue. It's the dental. It was supposed to come. It's not replicating the changes. Let me just refresh the website. Okay, so once you write your category, just click on this button over here, and the category has been updated. So now let me just see whether that option is coming over here or not. Okay, so now that option is coming over here. Then I will say teeth cleaning. Then I will give the price whatever I want to. If you want to give it, provide the service for free, then just put a 0 over here. Then the category is dental. Then I just have to select the employee who is looking after this particular service, that is Aditya Sahai. Then I will select the duration, how much time it will take. I can say this service will take time somewhere around 1 hour, and the buffer time is basically the time before the appointment. Okay, so if you want your employee to report to your dental clinic 15 minutes earlier or 10 minutes earlier, you can just select that time. I want my patient to come 15 minutes earlier, so I will select that time, and this is not required. Okay, so you can just keep this blank. If you want to keep this blank, then don't select anything over here. Okay, and next is minimum capacity. Okay, so the minimum number of the people who can come to an appointment with this service. If you are making one appointment, that means minimum only one person can take come. Okay, if you want to make appointment for two people, then you have to register twice. But as of now, this is a dental clinic, so I will say minimum capacity is one and maximum capacity is also one. So if you want to provide the taxes and all, then you can just say select all, or if you don't want to apply, then just keep it blank. If you want to give any description, then just do one thing, provide any description of the service, like this is the teeth cleaning. Okay, so if the user might not aware of your service, what you are providing, like there might be the service like the teeth whitening and all. Okay, so you can just give some description like this service cleans teeth. Okay, so whatever that is, then click on save. Okay, so now we have added one service. So basically this is how you have to avoid this is how you have to add your other services. Like my next service could be teeth whitening, and I will say price is $200. Then again it comes under dental. Okay, so when it comes to this systems like the teeth cleaning system, then the whatever system like eye specialist and all, there might be different categories. Okay, so you can assign that category over here. Then again I will select employee. As of now we have created only one employee over here. uh, this will take 1 hour 15 minutes duration. Then if you want to give the buffer time before, then you can do that. If you don't want, don't give. And rest everything is same. I will say this will help in teeth cleaning. Okay, teeth whitening. Just save this. And now as of now we have added the two services over here. Next is notifications. Okay, so if you want to send the notifications to your customers, then you can just do that. So as of now there are some of the these notifications present over here, like these are the emails sent to the customers. Okay, so emails will be this is the email which will be sent to the customer when the appointment is approved. This is the email which will be sent to when the appointment is cancelled, when the appointment is pending, rejected, rescheduled. Okay, so there are some of the options we are given over here. If you want to change this email, click on this edit button over here. When the appointment is approved, uh, this is the email which will be sent to the your customer. Okay, so it will say dear, then whatever is the name of the customer will be replaced over here. Okay, so name of your customer is Akshay, it will say dear Akshay, this is the confirmation that you have booked service. Okay, so if your service was like teeth cleaning, it will say you have booked teeth cleaning, and we are waiting you at company address. This over here it will replace this with the address of the company. Then this will be get replaced with the appointment date, and this is the appointment starting time, and it will say thank you. And then over here name of the company, name, phone number of the company, and the website of the company will be getting replaced. Okay, so if you want to add something new, like if you want to display the customer's email, then you just have to copy this code over here. Okay, so if you want to display customer's email anywhere over here, then just make use of this. If you want to display the customer's first name, last name, or then there are a lot many options. Okay, so there are this many options. Okay, so what I can do is I will copy this, and I will add something extra, like, and you have to pay, and I will paste that price over here. Okay, so it will say that we are waiting for you at this location of the company, and you have to pay this many rupees. Okay, so whatever money you have to pay to the doctor, that money will be shown over here if you have not paid through this online transaction. Okay, so this is not required, but for tutorial purpose I'm showing you all how to add this code over here. So there are a lot many options present over. This is the short code. Okay, so this is what we have on the right hand side. This is the short code list which you can make use of whenever you make any changes over here. Make sure to save these changes. Okay, so now this has been done. Click on cancel. And if you want to change any of these other these emails, then you can do that. This email will be sent when the appointment is pending, or when appointment is cancelled. This will be the email that is sent. Okay, so there are few templates which are already written over here. If you want to customize this email, then you can do that anytime. These are the email list which will be sent to the customers, and if you want to send any email to the employee, then you can just click on this. So whenever anyone will be applying for appointment, so that once that appointments get approved, this will be approved email which will be sent to a particular employee or particular doctor. Okay, I just click on this, and it says hello, you have a new booking, and this will be the name of the service, a date and a time, and these are some of the details, like the name of the customer, email of the customer, and the phone number of the customer. These are the details which will be sent to the doctor. Okay, so if you want to change anything over here, you can just do that. If you want shortcodes are always present over here on the right hand side. And let's just save all these changes. Let me just cancel this, and this will be the thank you for registration, etc, etc. SMS to the customers. Okay, so this is the SMS facility which is available over here, in which SMSs will be sent to your customers. This is similar to the emails. Okay, instead of sending the email, SMSs will be sent. And this is the SMS to the employee section. Okay, so I hope this entire section is clear enough, and this video is very lengthy, so rest everything I will continue in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.